Hey, my name is Farah, and today we're going to talk about oregano oil. We're going to talk about oregano oil's health benefits, and we're going to talk about my experience with oregano oil and how you can make your own oregano oil. Because if you try and buy it downtown, it's like for a small little bottle like that, it's like $34.99. That's crazy. That's really expensive. I myself use it almost daily. So oregano oil is an antifungal, an antibacterial, an antiviral, clears mucus of your lungs, is good for your gut health, yeast infections, delays aging, painkillers, protects against cancer, and soothes inflammation. So when I first heard about oregano oil, I thought, well, that's probably really good if you get like a flu or you get any kind of infection and stuff. So I decided to try the oregano oil. I did not buy it downtown. I made my own. And it really works because my husband got sick. He visited his mom into a home. She got sick with the flu, and so then he ended up getting sick with the flu. He was sick for an entire day on the couch. He didn't even move. He was on the couch all day. I went to work. By the time I came home, I was feeling sick. I had cold chills. My bones were sore. I had a stuffy nose. I had a headache. So I already had some oregano oil at home. So I took a teaspoon of that oregano oil and I laid down on the lazy boy for about an hour and a half. And then I got up. I felt okay, and I ate some leftover pizza, and I was fine. My husband he took a few days to get over his flu, and like mine lasted a few hours. I continued to take the oregano oil for a few days because every time I blow my nose, I could feel the burning in my sinuses. So I felt like I had a sinus infection. So I continued to take the oregano oil for 3 to 4 days, and I coughed up a lot of greeners, a lot of stuff came in my nose, and I felt fine afterwards. So I would highly recommend oregano oil, especially if there's a flu going around. I take a teaspoon a day just to avoid any flus. But if you have the flu, I would suggest like 1 teaspoon 3 times a day to help you get feeling better. So you can definitely make your own. It's really simple. There's only 2 ingredients. So all you do is you take a mason jar about this big, and the first thing that you're going to put into it is organic oregano. So you're going to use the entire container of the oregano. So I'm just going to fill up the jar, put the entire thing in there. Okay, so it fills it to about here. Now we're going to fill it with the oil to here. So I'm just going to pour the oil in. And this, by the way, is extra virgin olive oil, and it's organic as well. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so you see it's still dry on the bottom. We're going to have to shake this up. So I'm just shaking it so it mixes all together. Now we're going to store this into a dry, dark cupboard, so somewhere where there's no light. You're going to write the date onto it and what it is so that you don't forget, because it's going to have to sit for 6 to 8 weeks into the cupboard, and you shake it every 2 to 3 days to make sure it's all, all incorporated. And then after 6 weeks, you take it and you strain off all the oregano, and then you're left with the oil. and the oil is now infused with oregano. And it's as simple as that. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Give me a like as well. And I will see you for more. Thanks.